Okay, let's dive right in. We're breaking down the billionaire's psychological blueprint for building serious wealth. So, what's the biggest barrier when you're just starting? It's not your paycheck, the economy, or crazy math.
Actually, it's your own brain. Literally. We're biologically hardwired to make terrible financial choices. Crazy, right?
Look at Warren Buffett. His net worth tops $100 billion because he totally mastered this exact mental hurdle.
We're going to cover 3 easy mindset shifts to override those biological impulses and actually build lasting wealth.
Number 1, patience. Delaying gratification is a huge game changer. It lets compound interest grow tiny seeds into a massive forest.
Get this. Buffett made 99% of his fortune after turning 50. Time is absolutely your greatest asset.
But waiting is tough, right? That's hyperbolic discounting. Basically, it's our natural urge to grab immediate rewards right now.
To beat that, flip the script. Just pause and ask, what is this impulse buy costing my future self?
Second, stay calm. The crucial point is keeping your cool when the markets go crazy and everyone else panics.
When the crowd freaks out, wealthy people study the herd and move differently. Don't just follow the flock.
So, when the market dips, just tune out the noisy news cycle and stick to your automated investing plan.
Principle 3, identity. Believe it or not, Buffett still lives in the exact house he bought for 31 grand.
He completely separates his self-worth from what he buys. He literally eats McDonald's dollar menu items on bad market days.
So skip that luxury car lease. Spending money to impress strangers you don't even like just traps you in debt.
Seriously, real wealth is built in silence. You don't need loud, flashy symbols to be financially secure.
Putting these 3 shifts together gives you the ultimate beginner-friendly playbook for building serious, lasting wealth.
The big takeaway? Building wealth is completely a psychological game. It's really not about being a math genius.
So I'll leave you with this. Are your daily choices building a fake image or a lasting future?